Enverus Subsurface Studio how-to video.
Contour editing basemap tools. Today I want to guide you through the available contour editing tools. There are 5 contour editing tools available through the basemap, and today I will show examples of each. In the basemap, click the gridded surface editor to engage these tools. So first, let's add a map to our basemap. The contours of that map need to be engaged as well. Do that via right-click Style, check the Show Contours box. Click the Contour Settings box for additional contour display options for editing. In our base map with the contours engaged, click the Gridded Surface Editor toolbar. Upon engaging the Contour Editing toolbar in the top left of the base map, plus the Contour Drag Editor is enabled and the Dragging Tool parameters opens. Notice the Contour Edit Parameters dialog works like the base map layer manager. Click the arrow or the pin when needed. Notice as I run the tool over the base map, the radius of the tool is shown with the yellow radius around the mouse. Adjust the brush size to make the radius smaller or larger. First, let's use the Contour Drag Editor tool. Using a Shift left drag the contour to a new location. The brush size sets the size of the area affected. If the start location is between contours, the contour will move proportionally. When using the contour editing tools, users will see a preview in that little ghosted blue outline. Release the left drag to complete a function. Up next, the Contour Draw Editor tool. Use a Shift plus left click to place a contour draw point. The point value equals the point of the contour line added. To move a contour line, start on the contour line. If the start location is between contours, the contour will move proportionally. Double click to complete the action. Notice that the tool is still honoring the grid data used to generate the surface. Don't like the edits that you've made? Use the undo and redo buttons as necessary. Next, we have the Contour Erase tool. Use a Shift plus left drag to delete contours. Engaging the tool will create a crosshatch region on the surface. Release the left drag and that region is removed. The Erase tool allows a brush that is round or square. Don't forget to click Undo if your result is not as desired. Maybe Erase isn't for this little blip. Let's instead use a different tool, Contour Smooth. With a Shift left drag to smooth contours, adjust the brush and filter size as needed. The larger the filter radius, more global smoothing is applied. The filter uses a Gaussian averaging algorithm. Using the slider bar, adjust the rate of smoothing as well. Don't forget about the undo button. The last tool is the Contour Deposit Erode tool. I suggest opening a corresponding 3D scene to make sure that your deposit or erode is reasonable. Also, don't forget to share the cursors between the views. Now, using a Shift left click to deposit or a Shift right click to erode, users can adjust the parameters in the right-hand panel. The rate equals Z units per second based on vertical length units indicated in the parameters dialog. Increase the rate values for more relief. If you're ever working with the tools and you don't like the edits, remember you can click the undo button at the top of the application. Remember, please save your session to keep any of these contour edits.
Give this a try in your ESS project. Thanks for spending some time with me today. Got questions? Want to learn more? Email me at robin.marchand@enverus.com or click here for more information about Enverus Subsurface Studio.